Hello, Kate. Just try and catch a canal boat going through this lock. Hello. And the rain's just gone off, it just started raining on me. Just got a canal boat going through the lock for your entertainment. Just try if we want to come past. Just shutting the lock, because it's already at the right level. So they've just got to drive into it and then let all the water out. And that boat's got to empty all the water out now. The boat's got to drop about 12 foot to go under that bridge there, as you can see. It'll just be a few minutes for the water to come out now. Oh, they've hired that boat. It says Stone, Staffordshire on the side. Canalcruising.co.uk. They're just hiring the boat, cover it for the day or the week. You just hire them, or some people live on them and buy the boats. And it just gives a few hearts, so I know there's a signal there. I think we're okay. There's a few dead spots because I'm in the countryside. And there's a dog on board. I see the dog. Dog in the window. See, basically, if you just follow this path, that'll take you to London if you kept walking far enough. This is the canal to Birmingham and London. I see Stone Church in the distance over there. I have done this on previous scopes, but I haven't done it for a while, see if the quality's better. I'll move over to the other bridge in a minute. You're just going to let all the water out now. You'll start to see the boat lower down. This is the left-hand view. Goes right through the middle of this town. Well, it's like a little town. The canal goes all the way through it. That's a place where the boat can go in. That building there, the boat can go in. And then they can empty all the water away if they want to do the paint the hull, do any repairs to the hull. I'll just go over to this bridge now and get a better, well, you can see a good view here. I'll just go over to the bridge in a minute. You'll see all the I'll go over to the bridge when the water's gone down, because basically it'll be on its way to another lock. There's this lock and then there's another lock about 50 yards down, so I'll see how we go with my battery, and I don't know how quick they're going to be. The boat isn't lowering down yet. They probably only just hired it. I feel like I think they've been told all the instructions on what to do. They haven't not sure what to do yet. This is the town where you can hire a boat from. That's their boat. I think that lady's telling them what to do. Probably having a day out on it. It says Canal Cruising on the side. You can hire it. Yeah, it just started raining on me, typical British weather. It just started raining, now the sun's come out. Just British weather. Look at the clouds over there. Sunshine and scattered showers, that's what we always get in this country. Yeah, and they just opened the valves down there now, let all the water out. We've got a little key that they carry around and they turn it and then it opens the valve. Let all the water out. And then the boat will start. I think these ones who are learning what to do, they're a bit they haven't gone through yet. Just open the valve and all the water will come out now. You see the boat start to drop. The level will start to drop now. If you just follow me, like and subscribe, share it all around Twitter, take screenshots. I've done about 92 scopes now, different British places. I've just done a quick scope this morning of a famous house called the Isaac Walton Cottage. If you just check my replay out from earlier on. And it's a house that's been there 500 years. It's as old as Shakespeare's house. And he's well known for writing a novel that told you how to, the art of fishing. It's Isaac Walton's cottage that I've been to this morning. but obviously at the moment a lot of museums aren't open, so I will start scoping some museums when they're back open again. Lots of history. Yeah, see the boat dropping down now. I'll move over to the bridge in a second. British people be like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Yeah, it's just nice and cool. The heat wave's gone now. Yeah, the heat wave's gone now. It isn't as muggy as it was. It's just nice and cool. Just t-shirt weather. I suppose there's a technique to this. You must build some muscles up. Keep going through these locks all day. I'll just go over to the bridge now, and we can see the boat going through. See the boat down here in the lock. See how deep down it is. See all the water. This is where there's a bit of a leak where the water's coming in. There's a bit of a leak on that one. I think the boat's still dropping down. Still dropping down. Yeah, the lock's opening now. There we go. Yeah, it's giving him instructions. I think he's just hired it for the day. Catch him coming out the other side. Just watch I don't fall in because there's no barriers. Yeah, watch what you're doing. It's only been here 250 years and I don't think they need barriers. And it's still coming through. Yeah, climb back out if I fall in. There's some stairs there. Just going through and we'll shut the lock off. I'll just go back down to the bridge. Coming out the other side. Yeah, that's the charity that looks after all the canals. Canals and River Trust. You might see another boat in a minute because you might catch them coming both different ways. There might be, there's another boat coming. Here we go. There's another one coming the other way. It's like a main road. That's two all at once. I thought I wouldn't catch a boat for you today. There's two. This one I'll come back in now. Hello, great cat. Welcome. Enjoy this canal boat going through a lock in stone. I've just filmed that one there. Now there's another one coming the other way. I'll just turn round. He's just going under this. I'm just on a bridge at the moment. There's the other one into the distance. There is another lot down there, but I'll lose reception if I go any further down there, so I'll just film this one going through. And then because they've just loaded down, they can come straight into this one. I'll just show it you from another angle. Hello, cat. Just showing you a canal boat getting into a lock. It's usually quite interesting for non-UK people or UK people. You can hear me over the wind. It's quite blustery today. This lady's going to shut the lock now. It's going to heave ho and try and pull it shut. So we're just going to shut the lock now. Push the locks to. and then they'll start pumping the water back in for it to go back up. Close the valves off and then pump all the water back in to go back the other way. You've got to have a lot of patience to travel this way. Sometimes there's a lock sometimes things called a staircase lock, where there's about 12 locks one after the other to climb up a high incline. Probably just get used to it. She'll open the valve on the other one now to let all the water back in. She'll open the valve on that other one now. And then you'll just see the opposite direction now. You've just seen that boat go down, now this one will get filled up again. And sometimes you catch two boats going the opposite way. Where's everybody watching from? I know where we got on the screen. Great Cat's in. You just share it all around, get more people in. He's tagging me a few hearts, so I know there's a signal. I think I've got a signal. I'm just in Stone at the moment. Oh. My phone starts getting a bit crazy. Sacramento, cool. Hello, Mark. Thanks for the hearts, Kate. You see the boat rising up in a minute. And then obviously these gates will, because they're like a V shape, they'll seal themselves now when all the water starts coming in. Because they're like a V shape, the water will start sealing the gates up. You'll hear them in a minute, so listen to the wood. You'll hear the seal making itself tight now. You'll hear the wood sort of tighten itself up. It's all made of oak. Hear that noise? That's the gate sealing against the water pressure. Thousands of tons of water. Can you hear me over the wind? It's a bit blustery today. I'll try and cover the microphone up. Typical British day, the sun's trying to come out again. Bit of blue sky, it's rained on me for a few minutes. Seems to fill up quicker seems to rise quicker when you're filling it up than emptying it. And that's you witnessing canal boats going through a lock. I have done a few scopes before, but I know I've got good reception at this one. And I'll make my way back to the where I parked the car, and I might lose you. Because there's a bit of a flat spot where the pub is, unless I pick up the Wi-Fi. There's another canal right next to a pub. I'm just a few minutes walk from that, and then I'm just going to do a bit of shopping, and I'll do another canal scope. If you follow and like and subscribe, I'll do another canal scope a bit further down, where you'll see lots of canal boats parked up. It's like an area where a lot of canal boats are parked. Any questions, I'll try and answer them. These are all man-made, these canals. They've been here about 250 years. Used to be used, obviously, before we had roads, to transport coal and all sorts of products, clay and coal and timber and anything. Now it's just leisure now. People just use them for leisure. They're maintained by a trust called the Canals and Rivers Trust, who maintain them all. And then some people have days out, some people live on boats. Usually tell the ones that live on them because they have solar panels on the top. Yeah, I've done about 92 scopes now. If you follow me and watch all my replays, I don't wipe any of them off. I've got about 92 replays now of history, nature, wildlife. A lot of things to do with water. I've got a lot of water and lakes around my area and rivers. I live by the canals, so I do a lot of walking around lakes and canal scopes, and that's it, toned up now. Boats going through. For that one. Shutting the lock ready for the next boat. Right. Just on a bridge. That's the view from the other side of the bridge. That's the way I'm walking to. If you just look in the distance. I'm just going to walk to that bridge in the distance. You see that bridge with the cars going over? That's where the next lock is. These are some boats that are parked up. They have mooring points. I'll just go down to the down to the canal now to show you what it looks like. They have like mooring points where they can tie up for so many days. I'm not sure what the limit is. It could be 24 hours or 3 days. I'll just go under this tunnel. Let's have a look what's down here. Yeah, they've all got a number, these canal bridges. If you live on the boats, they all have a number on. They're all numbered, so obviously I'm not sure which way. I don't know which way 95 will be. That's 94. I'm not sure which way. So you can see that's how many bridges there is. They're all sort of on a map. If you're on a canal boat, they're on like a map, where you know where all the canal bridges are. This is a village of Stone. Here's some information about the canal. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. That's the pub we're just about to go past. Let's have a look, just get close up. Christina Collins. Yeah, there's a boat yard, boat repairs. Jules Brewery, boatyard. I'll just zoom in on this, you can read it at your leisure. Let's get this bit here in the middle. Yeah, that's it. So it's been here a long time, but I'll have a slow walk down here because I might lose you when we get down to the down to that road. So thanks for watching. I try to do daily scopes. I'm all over social media. Follow me on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, and if I can't get any reception, I will film things on YouTube. I upload all my video, my periscopes to YouTube. If you want, use them on Chromecast on your big tallies at home. You just go on YouTube/ChaserWho. This is a block of flats, like for elderly people. It's like a big block of flats by the canal for the more mature people to live in. There's the bridge in the distance. That's the bridge we've just come under. There's some boats moored up. There's the mooring posts. Where you can pull up. I don't know what the length of time is. Sometimes they have restrictions how long you can but every time I walk, there's the church of the town there. Stone Church. That's right, 5 o'clock. 5 PM. Thanks for the hearts, everybody. I just wish the signal won't go off. I might lose you in about a few minutes. If it cuts off, I will come back on with another canal scope in about half an hour. There's another boat moored up. They all have their own numbers. They've all got a number. Yeah, I think they live on that one. That's got solar panels. There's all this area over here. You can walk your dog. There's a big area over here. Welcome to Stone Town. This is where we are. Lots of history. Got lots of history. So I'll record all this writing and have a look what it says for later. Some very old buildings in this town. That's been there since 1778. $1745. Loads of things. St. Michael's Church. That's that one I've just shown you. 1758. Loads of writing. I think that's the bridge we've just been under. 1772. That's how long that's been there, that bridge. That's the main town, the town centre. There's the canal running, you can see the canal running all the way where we've just been. There's a river as well, that's the river. The canal's where we've just been here. That's the bridge we've just been over. This is the town centre. That's the church. Nice little map of where we've been. We are right very close to the railway lines as well. And if you look at my previous scope and look up who Isaac Walton is, I've just filmed his place where he lives. And that's been there 500 years apparently. Just see what this, every time I come down here there'll be a certain point where we'll just cut off in a minute, so thanks for watching. Check all my previous scopes. I'm on buymeacoffee.com/ChaseTheWho if you like the content and like to support future broadcasts. Let's have a look what this says. Oh yeah, Crown Meadow. That's where we've just been. This is I have to go around. I don't think there'll be any signal if I go around here. This is opposite the canal at the side. Lots of history. I'll film all this for later. Have a read up on this later. There's all the flowers you can see.